welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Physiologic FilCan Infrared Thermometer. So it's a 3-in-1. You can use for the body, room temperature, and the surface. So because of the pandemic, mostly hospitals, clinics, and even at the job, they are using this infrared thermometer to check the temperature before going at the job or before entering at the workplace. So here we go. Actually, I bought this at the pharmacy. It's a bit expensive. It's $99 plus tax. So my husband told me, why you bought that expensive stuff? I said, for me, as a mother, as a mom, it's more accurate and convenient for the kids. Especially pag may sakit ang twins, ayaw nila na nilalagyan ng digital thermometer sa armpit or sa rectal. So ito yung naisip ko na paraan. So mas madaling gamitin, very convenient and accurate. Kasi ilagay mo lang siya sa forehead, about 1 to 2 inches or 3 to 5 centimeters without contact. So mas madali siya. So for sure they have a manual, and it's a battery operated with 2 free battery, alkaline battery. They have 3 language. English here, it's English, French, and Spanish. It's more easy for my husband because he prefer French than English. So here,
English.
here they have
Français.
French,
Español.
Spanish, and English.
English.
So I will try.
Your body temperature is 36.5 degrees centigrade.
I will switch to French.
Français. Votre température corporelle est de 36,5 degrés centigrades.
It's more fun.
Español. La temperatura de su cuerpo es 36.5 grados centígrados.
It's 36.5. Yeah, it's very accurate, and it's more easy to use it. Yeah, it's a Physiologic FilCan Infrared Thermometer. Ito lang siya, guys. It's very convenient. It's also a fully programmable alert, audio alert, and voice feature. And they have also backlit screen with color coded. Yeah.